In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video on Google Drive and share the link. This process is very useful for sharing large video files that might be too big to send through email or for connecting with a team or a group of friends. So, let's dive right in. First, let's begin by heading over to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing drive.google.com in the address bar. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll need to log in. Once you're on the main Google Drive page, you'll notice a sleek, organized grid or list view of your files and folders. Now, direct your attention to the New button, which is typically located on the left side of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. You'll see a menu pop up with several options such as Folder, File Upload, and Folder Upload. For our task today, select File Upload. At this point, a window will open, allowing you to browse through your computer files. Navigate to the location where the video file you want to upload is stored. Once you've found the right file, highlight it and click Open. The upload process will begin immediately, and you can monitor its progress by observing the status bar that appears at the bottom right of your Google Drive screen. Depending on the size of your file and your internet speed, this might take a few minutes, so sit tight. Once your video is successfully uploaded, it's time to share it. Locate the video file in your Google Drive. Right-click on the file, and a context menu will appear. From this menu, choose Get Link. You will be presented with a dialog box that offers different sharing options. Here, you can adjust the access settings to determine who can view your video. You might want to select Anyone with the link can view to make it accessible to anyone you give the link to without them needing to log into a Google account. However, if you prefer to restrict access, you can choose Restricted and only allow specific people to view it by inviting them via email. Once you've set the desired permissions, click Copy Link. This copies the shareable link to your clipboard. Now you can paste this link into an email, a message, or anywhere you choose to share your video with others. And there you have it, a simple way to upload and share your videos using Google Drive. It's seamless, efficient, and ensures that your